Today we'll be going over the basic use of the RJS i5000 Auto Optic Verifier with 3-scan average. Please note this model can only verify linear barcodes. The scan head works by a contact read that slides perpendicular to the bars of the barcode. Start with at least a ½ inch or more to the left or right of the code to respect the quiet zone, and slide the Auto Optic head in a fast, continuous motion going at least a ½ inch or more past the final bar. You can scan either direction and will hear a double beep after the third scan to signify you have completed all scans. If you are having difficulties, we suggest using a straight edge and erring on the faster side rather than slow when sliding the Auto Optic head. On the verifier, you can see the number of scans that were completed and the ISO parameters with their associated grades color-coded below. This concludes the basic use of the RJS i5000 Auto Optic. Please see our other videos for more information or contact us for further questions.